You are going to love the 2022 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, sliding rear window, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, driver illuminated vanity mirror, four-wheel disc brakes. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.